Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 10 is going to be vitamin K. Now, vitamin K is important because it helps wounds heal, and the different foods that are rich in vitamin K are going to be the following. Okay, lettuce, parsley, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, meats, eggs, and cereal. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. So make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, so for Fast 5 workout number 10, the following exercises will be included. Number 1, stationary skips. 2, walking lunges. 3, figure eights. And 4, jumping jacks. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll demonstrate those movements in just a moment. All right, so for exercise number 1, as I mentioned, it's gonna be stationary skips. So what you're gonna do, if you don't know how to skip, it's just simple. It's a hop and a pop. So you're gonna hop in place and pop your knee up. Okay, so we're gonna do stationary skips. If you want, see how I am alternating my hand and my feet. So if my left hand goes up, my right foot comes up, and then I'm gonna switch. So think about that, just hop and pop at the same time, okay? Second, we're gonna do walking lunges. So I'm gonna go and start on my right side, your left, I believe. And I'm gonna go lunge, that's 1, 2, notice that my body is moving across. I'm gonna turn around, go 3, and then go back. Okay, alternating my legs. So that's walking lunges. The next one, we're gonna do figure eights. So we're gonna go on to our bottoms. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your legs up about 6 inches off the ground, and you are gonna do an 8 with your feet. So it looks like this. So you're gonna draw an invisible 8 using your legs. All right, and our last and final exercise is going to be jumping jacks. Now, if you don't know how to do a jumping jack, if your feet are together and your hands are at your side, when your legs are out, your hands are up, you guys can clap, okay? You guys can make a heart, or you guys can just go straight up like this and then almost touch, okay? So rainbow, clap, or heart, completely up to you. So here we go. Again, legs go out, hands come up. I'll do heart, I'm back in. Legs go out, hands come up. I'll make a rainbow. And the last one, I'll do a clap. And back in, okay? Again, legs are together, your hands are at your side, okay? Remember that. So get ready for our Fast 5 workout number 10, and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go. We're gonna start with those stationary skips in place. So here we go, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Stationary skips. Again, a hop and a pop. Remember to alternate your hands. If your right leg goes up, your left hand comes up. Left leg goes up, your right hand comes up. It's going to help you get that rhythm. All right, let's go to those walking lunges. Go 1, 2, 3, and turn around. 1, 2, 3. Again, you almost want to touch the floor, but you don't want to bang your knee on the floor. Great job. Keep up the good work. Awesome job. Keep it up. Remember, I say, just finish. All right, let's go down. Grab those figure eights. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Get your legs up. Make that circle, 2 circles. Down, up, and around. On your feet. After all these Jumping jacks, ready, and go. As you're breathing, challenge yourself, see how many you can do, and then round 2 we're going to do more. Get that heart pumping. All right, 1 minute rest. Hope you guys are enjoying this Fast 5 workout. If you have not checked out Fast 5 1 through 9, highly recommend you do that. You're gonna have so many workouts that you can do with your friends and family at the end of the year. Round 2 coming up. Yeah, we're gonna start with those stationary skips. Here we go, 20 seconds. If you guys are enjoying the t-shirt, it's brand new. You guys can check out my Teespring site as well as my Redbubble site. And you guys can purchase your own P.E Spot gear or merch, okay? So, all proceeds go directly to anything that we might need for the workouts as well as the activities, all right? So here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Round 2, let's go. That's a hop and a pop. You want to challenge yourself, go on your toes. Don't let your back foot, your heel hit the floor. On your toes the whole time. Hop and a hop, a hop and a hop. Let's go. Walking lunges, go. Number 3, turn around. So you go as low as you can. So we're seeing at the bend knee, and the bend. Remember, just finished. You got it, 30 seconds. You do anything you can put your mind to. Just finish. Doing amazing. Going down. Figure 8. Starting at 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to see how good you guys can draw your 8 with your legs. I bet a lot of you are like, oh, that's easy. Now that you're out there feeling it. Got it, come on. Just got this one and one more. All right, let's go. Jumping jacks. Finish it off, go. See if you can beat my score in jumping jacks. You did a great job, my friends. If you can beat 25 jumping jacks in 30 seconds, you beat my score. Awesome job working out, completing the task at hand. And again, do some high five. Pat yourself on the back. If you have somebody there, fist pump them. If not, here's the invisible fist pump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 10. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite exercise of the day and what was your most challenging exercise in the day and what exercises you would like to do on a Fast 5 workout. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So for today, we have a fun game and it's called Skee-Ball Basketball. The only items you're going to need are a plastic bag, cardboard box, 8 water bottles, some tape, and a wool. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys stay tuned and get ready for the activity. Alright, so as you can see behind me, I have my Skee-Ball Basketball court right here. I'm going to have 8 water bottles. Okay, I'm going to have my cardboard box. That's going to be my backboard. Some plastic tape, something to hang on. Painter's tape, make sure it's painter's tape, and always ask a parent prior to doing it. I don't want your walls to get messed up, so please make sure you ask a parent or you use blue painter's tape. And we're going to need a ping pong ball. Okay, if you have a bouncy ball, anything that you could toss into here that is safe, you can toss in here and make it in here. Good try. Oh, 100. Oh, almost got that. All right, say hi. Hi, Zeke. All right, Ezekiel's gonna shoot. Here's your ball. As you notice, we lowered it down to the floor. Go ahead and shoot. All right, bounce. That's 1. Oh, that's 2. That's 3. Oh, close. That's 4 here. Last 1. Oh, and he tried his best, and he had fun. All right, I'm gonna go and do my 5 shots. Hopefully I get something good. So let's go and get started. 5 feet from my backboard, and I'm gonna go and shoot 1. I missed it. Oh, I got 100 there. All right, so out of my 5 shots, I got 100. Simple thing to do with the water bottle cap, roll it over, get your ball back, hand it to the next person. They're gonna go. Your job is to be competitive if you want, or just see how many points each of you guys can get into your shot. So, hope you guys enjoyed the game, Skee-Ball Basketball. And